This is part 2 of 4 video series on how to leverage the power of sell tools, manage ad in Facebook for Amazon sellers. And today we'll be talking about the Facebook ad copy and creative. How should we structure this? How should we create a picture? A lot of questions are about this, so let's make it clear and easy to start. This is not the last version you will ever use. This is not the best version on the planet to use. This is the first version to use, and then everybody, we have to improve our ads so we get better performance. We are compliant with Facebook policies and so on. So long form ad copy usually performs better than short one. So if you have very little text, will perform usually worse than if you have a long text. We never call users out. We never say, "Hey you, do you have a pain in your back? Hey you, are you redhead? Hey you, are you brownhead?" We never call users out. Usually the best strategy is just to talk about the product we have and what does for the user without calling the user. In the ad, we should set expectations, what they will achieve, what they will receive from us when they will follow our ad, right? So we should tell them inside the ad, the more the better. And we will start with a simple product image. You will see it's not a big thing. So if we go here to Facebook, I have here open Facebook Ad Manager. Here we have one picture, simple picture from Amazon. Here is the product. I have just selected some dummy product picture of some animals, and here is this little guy playing with these animals. So I have taken this picture, put it in canva.com, and just added Amazon logo, and it looks like this cool image. The point of this image is it is not screaming that something is free. It is not screaming that there is something fake. It's not screaming that something is wrong. If you have children or you are a grandparent and you see this and you see the guy playing and your grandson is just the same age, you say, oh look, Amazon, oh, what is this? And then you start reading, right? Then you start reading. Limited time offer. Okay, what? Try Animal Comics for free. Oh, what is this? So people then open the ad and start reading, right? We do not want freebie seekers to be attracted because something is free. We want a person as much as possible to be as a real buyer, just getting the product for free, right? So if you just check this copy, we have some emojis here on top, limited time offer, try line, I mean like this. The template for ad would be try X for free. Buy, for example, buy Animal Comics, Animal Toys, or whatever would be here the wording. Buy something and get 100% just for trying it out. This is explaining what this offer does, right? Buy this and get 100% refund. Okay, so first I have to buy and then I get refund. This is clearly stated here in this ad. Then later we have claim your refund today, limited quantity. We injected a scarcity here inside, and then give them soon in the ad we give them call to action, click send message for details, right? If they want to read more, they can of course read more. We will tell them more. Free shipping for Amazon Prime members. Okay, then we can explain a little bit more what is this product about. We try to put here some social proof. Why are other Amazon buyers raving about these animals? And then we just take from bullet points of our product, right? From bullet points here, like this one, and perfect for grooming and child friendly and always safe. So we just put these bullet points here, 4 or 5. Last one could be 100% free on Amazon. Then we explain them how this refund offer works, because most of the people, real buyers, they do not know, they never saw something like this. While freebie seekers do this every day, all day long, real buyers are not really familiar, so it's a good idea to explain them how this works. So explain them. Click send message button below, which is here below, here, this one, and we will tell you how to get the product for free. And further, we clearly explain what they will get back, because some sellers refund full product and no sales tax and no shipping. Some refund everything. So you really need to state here what you will refund, and then do it accordingly. This is just example. We refund the product price. We do not refund taxes and shipping. So it is stated. Once you verify your details, you will receive a Visa gift card to your email. We are doing this for people who still reading, still do not want to go and get this thing for free. We explain them why we are doing this. We say we are doing this to raise awareness of our product. That's why we need people to try our product out today. If you want to try this product, click send message quickly to connect with us in Messenger. Messenger should be probably a bigger one and bigger M, to see if we have any deals left. And that's really all you really need to do. Simple as that. Of course, check grammar. Grammar here is not correct. These lines are not correct, but you get the idea, right? Make a nice picture. Do not scream this is something free. Do not scream this is something scammy. Do not scream this is something abnormal. And you'll be doing really good. You will get real buyers buying your stuff for free, and then later on you have better chances to sell them something, maybe for 30 off or well, whatever would be the case, right? So this for this video we have covered all these four things. First, longer copy is better than a shorter one. We should not call the users out. Set expectation, we did a lot in details, so there's no questions anymore in both later. And we start with very simple image. So this is for today. In the next video number 3, we'll talking about Facebook and targeting. Implement this one and see you soon.